How to make money with Spotify. First, you need music that people actually want to listen to. That means picking a niche, understanding your audience, and creating tracks that fit a specific vibe, whether it's chill, workout, study, or something else. Next, distribution. Upload your music through platforms like DistroKid, TuneCore, or similar services so your songs get on Spotify and other streaming platforms. Now, the key part, streams. Spotify pays per stream, so the goal is volume. To get that, you need playlists. Submit your tracks to Spotify editorial playlists, but don't stop there. Reach out to independent playlist curators and build your own playlist too. Consistency matters. Don't just release one song and disappear. Drop music regularly so the algorithm keeps pushing your content to new listeners. Promotion is everything. Use TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts to push snippets of your music. One viral clip can drive thousands of streams overnight. Also, build a brand. People don't just follow songs, they follow artists. Give them a reason to come back. Finally, diversify your income. Spotify streams are just one piece. Use your music for YouTube content, licensing, merch, and collaborations to increase your overall earnings.